Thailand on Sunday recorded 8 new imported cases of the novel coronavirus. No new deaths were reported. The new cases were 4 Thai nationals, 3 Indians and 1 Egyptian. This as the health department warns nationals to be on the lookout for symptoms that could be COVID as winter approaches. Anyone experiencing fever, cough, a sore throat, respiratory symptoms or the loss of smell after visiting a community or crowded area should immediately wear a face covering and seek medical attention. Former Prime Minister Abhisit has stated that resignation of the Prime Minister or government is not a long-term answer to issues raised by demonstrators. He does think that a review of the current constitution is a good idea though, as it would show the public that people in power listen. This as the weekend saw several protests in the capital by groups on both sides of the divide. The Ministry of Digital Economy and Society has shut down 1,500 online gambling websites which are thought to have been coining some 21 billion baht annually. The blocks of Step 1. Step 2 has seen those involved arrested, and we'll see more added to that list, including those who promote them on social media in any way. 140 people have been nabbed so far. In the UK, the mother of a 27-year-old held here on drug charges is pleading for funding, this after he was nabbed in a drugs raid and bailed. With a court case set for February, he's lucky to be out on bail. The former teacher staying here during the free visa amnesty is said to have been a drug dealer. Mummy says he was stitched up, but that's for the courts to decide. Their Majesties the King and Queen of Thailand attended a royal ceremony to officially open the new rail service known as the Blue Line in the capital. The 11-kilometre route was also ridden by the royal couple, alongside members of the public who were randomly invited to join them, as the couple repeated their previous habit of mingling with the public before the opening, much to the surprise of security staff, but well received by the public. In Nakhon Ratchasima, locals posted news of a new water park venture, showing photos of sunbeds, inflatable boats and more. The thing is, it doesn't really exist, but it was done to embarrass local rail authorities who'd failed for weeks to drain a local underpass that was flooded, meaning that locals had to go out of their way to cross the railway lines. Red-faced, the rail companies sent in pumps at the weekend. The resort's no more, but travel is a lot safer. Meanwhile at home and in Sattahip, a mother faces charges of using her 4 offspring as a drug delivery squad. Locals reported them, police raided and the children were taken into care. With one customer nabbed at the scene, Mum fled but is likely to be caught very soon. A beer bar owner whose property was torched claims that the fire in Second Road was likely the work of a disgruntled tenant. She was lucky as locals had doused the flames before they did much damage. Police are seeking the ex-tenant for discussions. And at Maprachan Lake, construction crews have developed a new system to defy gravity, so it appears. This as road drains have been set at heights above the new road level. The roadworks in the areas have been a fiasco in many cases, seeing many homes and businesses flooded as new road heights are installed higher than building entrances. But the latest invention seems even less likely to succeed. And with the reminder, mitts, masks and meters, wash your hands, wear a mask and keep social distancing. And the Met Office promising highs today of 32 degrees, dropping down to 25 in an overcast but hot day. That is the local and national news from Fab FM. For videos and of course to keep up with Fabulous Pattaya, visit alwayspattaya.com.